Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today's video is going to be like my normal moto vlogs where I'm vlogging as I'm riding around on the track, but I also thought of a cool idea of comparing lap times between my good friend Josh, who's like A-class pro level rider, versus me, someone who's never raced before, and I assume I'd be like a local C-class rider, maybe mid-pack or towards the back of the pack, somewhere around that level. But I think it'd be interesting to compare our lines, how we hit jumps, our speed through corners, and just overall our lap times. So the lap time comparison will be throughout the motovlog, but I wanted to just let you know it is going to be a normal motovlog style video. So I'll get to the lap time comparison later on in the video. All right, let's get right into it.
Haven't been out on the track yet. Gonna go do our warm-up laps on the 4-stroke on the 250F. Oh my god, all the jumps are so lit. What the? I guess that's my fault for not rolling the first lap. I can't believe how deep the soil is today. We must have had some good rain recently. Like, damn, dude, there's gonna be ruts everywhere. This is intimidating. Oh boy, we got Josh already following me. He doesn't realize how sketchy I'm riding already. Way over freaking jumped that. Dang, Josh is ripping. Oh my god. Are you kidding me, dude? I promise, Josh, I'm trying to keep up with you. I ain't that fast, buddy. Woo! Are you kidding me? Oh my god. That was dirty.
Throw it out.
Okay.
And then
At that mark.
you're gonna sit on it, and then we're gonna see how far it sags down with your
Oh, and it
weight.
just tells you your sag right there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. I have never on any bike ever set sag before.
That's crazy.
So if it's way off, it'll make a good difference, right? 112.
Yeah, so that's low.
So that would explain my front end in the ruts.
Yeah.
How I was saying it wants to.
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks for doing this, bro. You're out here just sweating, just dying. We made some changes. We set the sag to 103. It wasn't like 112. We'll see how much of a difference it makes. See how this bike feels now. Probably should be standing through there. I think my main issue, when I get to the run, I get scared and I let off the gas. I can't do that. Like, what the f? Even when I'm jumping on the gas, it kicks me like crazy still. Yeah, buddy. Not the smoothest, but made it through. messing up the stupid rut. Every freaking time, dude. Dude, that was the best I hit the rod all day.
Alright, so there you have it. My novice level lap time is 1 minute and 52 seconds. A couple things to note. I'm sure you could tell there's a couple times in this lap that I'm just kind of like lollygagging around and I'm talking, I'm motovlogging. I'm sure if I focused 100% on getting the fastest lap time possible and put that thought process into my head while I'm actually riding, I can clean this lap up maybe 4 or 5 seconds or so. And I'll definitely do that. I'll definitely try to do that next time. But there you go, 1 minute 52 seconds. Now I'll put a GoPro on my buddy Josh, who is an expert A-class level motocross racer. We'll get some GoPro footage from his perspective and record his fast lap time. And by the way, if you're interested in that foam windscreen I'm using on the GoPro or the mount that I'm using to put this camera on Josh's helmet, I have links to those products in the video description below for you. All right, let's get into it. There you have it. Josh's expert level lap time comes in at 1 minute and 36 seconds. That's an entire 16 seconds faster than my lap time of 1 minute and 52 seconds. That is crazy how much faster he is per lap. One thing I want you to pay attention to on Josh's lap is his jumps. He's going so fast over the jumps that he's completely flat landing probably 90% of them. Maybe 2 or 3 of the landings on the track he actually uses, but the rest of them he overshoots and lands all the way out to flat. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little lap time comparison between an expert level rider and a novice level rider on the same track. Please stick around for the rest of the video because I have some more entertaining motovlog footage coming at you right now.
Damn, dude, that thing is sketching me out every single lap. I'm getting kicked like a crazy person off that. passing it. Well, it felt better than that rut. Try this one. Oh yeah. Felt way better than that one too. Let's go. Alright, let's see if we can clear this. Yes! First time. Oh! There's like all kinds of bumps, acceleration, braking, little holes everywhere. The bike feels better in the corners. I just gotta learn to commit and get over the front more, I think. There we go. Actually hit that somewhat clean for once. Let's go, fourth gear. No problem. Oh! Get it, buddy. I feel like sometimes I just gotta stop thinking and go. Like I'm riding a little out of control. So I gotta not overthink it, but focus on my form at the same time. Fine line. Yeah, gang. Yeah, buddy.
That's going to conclude the motovlog for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.